Hello friends, I am Saloni and welcome to Codera. So again, Wipro's Elite National Talent Hunt is back. So in this drive, engineering students from 2020, 2021 and 2022 batches are eligible to apply for this drive. So to register yourself, you have to click this register now button. But before applying, let's see the eligibility criteria along with some other additional criteria. So for applying in this drive, candidate must have the qualification of BE or BTech. It is compulsory degree. Or ME MTech qualified candidates can also apply. So guys, the candidate with the qualifications like BSc, MSc are not eligible for this drive. And for engineering students, all the branches students are eligible except fashion technology, textile engineering, agriculture and food technology. And I already told you that the student whose year of passing is 2020, 2021 and 2022 are eligible. And only one blockage is allowed. And this blockage is allowed only till you get your offer letter. So before getting the offer letter, you have to clear your blockage. So here the percentage criteria is 60% or 60 GPA for your degree courses. Or in 10th and 12th, the candidate must have the 60% or above. And one more important point is, here there is a age limit, that is 25 years. So if your age is less than or equal to 25, then you are eligible for this drive. So guys, if you are come under this eligibility criteria, so you can happily apply for this drive before January 31, 2022. So now let's see the evaluation process of Wipro NTH. So in this evaluation process, first you have to register for this drive. Then there will be an assessment round. And then after clearing the assessment round, there will be a business discussion. So this business discussion round is basically the interview round, which may have two parts, which is technical interview and HR interview. And if you clear this business discussion round, then you will get your offer letter. So this is the easy 4-step evaluation process. Now let us see what joining compensation and bonus Wipro is offering. So guys, your compensation per annum will be 3.5 lakh per annum. And you will also get 25,000 flat bonus after the 6th month of your joining. And also Wipro is offering regular yearly increments. So guys, this is the great opportunity to start your career in the IT industry. And the hiring is for the role of project engineer. And here one important point to be noted is that you have to serve the company for 12 months. So guys, here you have the bond or service agreement of 12 months. And if you break this agreement, then you have to pay 75,000 rupees to the company. So guys, here we have some additional criteria that candidate can have only one blockage. Next is education gap. So total maximum 3 years of education gap is allowed from your 10th standard to the graduation. And the next criteria is very important, that if any candidate participated in any selection process of Wipro in the last 6 months, then that candidate is not eligible for this drive. And the candidate must be an Indian citizen or should hold PIO or OCI card. And if you are the citizen of Bhutan or Nepal, then you have to submit your citizenship certificate. And also the candidate eligible for re-registration only after the 90 days from the previous online assessment given. So friends, here one very important point is that eligible candidate will be invited in batches for assessment. So that means assessment will be in the batches. So suppose if you and your friend both applied for the drive at the same time. So it is possible that your friend will get the link for the assessment and you will not get. So don't panic, maybe you will be in the other assessment batch. So when you will click on this register now button, you will see this interface. So here this is the complete job description that we have already discussed. But here one more important thing is online assessment pattern. So online assessment is divided into 3 sections. First section is aptitude test, in which you have to solve logical, quantitative and English ability questions in 48 minutes. Second section is written communication section. So in this section you have to write an essay within 20 minutes. And the third section is online programming test. Here you have to solve 2 coding questions within 1 hour. And for the coding you can use these 4 programming languages, which are Java, C, C++ or Python. And the date for the assessment is not declared yet. So you will get the mail after the registration if you are eligible. So you have to click this apply now button. And then here you have to provide your email ID. After providing the email ID, click the register and apply button. So after that you will see this interface where you have to provide your all the required details, like your basic details, which include your full name, date of birth, mobile number, email address and so on. Then you have to fill your contact details, your current and previous education details like your college name, your 10th and 12th standard percentage, and also you have to mention the details of your internship or any training or any further work experience if you have. And then you have to submit your profile photo and other required documents like Aadhaar card. And then you are all set to go. So these are the details you have to fill to successfully apply for this drive. So guys, that's all about today's video. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you have any doubt and queries, so you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching.